Welcome to the CUET UG PG Forensic Science Entrance Test Solution video. This video covers the solutions for the exam held on July 2, 2023, presented by Dr. Anjani Kumar. Question 36 asks, what is the role of the circulatory system in the human body? The correct answer is oxygen transport. The circulatory system transports oxygen, nutrients, and waste products through the blood. Question 37 asks, which of the following is not a component of the immune system? The answer is liver. While important for metabolism and detoxification, the liver is not a primary component of the immune system. Question 38. Which of the following is responsible for the breakdown of complex organic molecules into simpler forms in the environment? The correct option is decomposers. They break down dead organic matter, recycling nutrients. Question 39. What microorganisms can use oxygen when it is present and continue to grow without it? The answer is facultative anaerobes. They can switch between aerobic respiration and fermentation. Question 40 asks, what is the process by which plants release excess water vapor through their leaves called? The answer is transpiration. This occurs through stomata and aids in nutrient transport and cooling. Question 41. What is the process by which a multicellular organism grows and develops from a single cell? The correct answer is embryogenesis. This involves cell division and differentiation from a zygote. Question 42. What is the process by which cells become specialized in structure and function? This process is called differentiation. It allows cells to take on specific roles during development. Question 43 asks, what is the process by which water moves from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration across a semi-permeable membrane? The correct term is osmosis. Question 44. What is the study of the relationships between organisms and their environment called? The answer is ecology. It includes the study of interactions with both biotic and abiotic factors. Question 45. In gymnosperms, the only negative mode of pollination is what? The answer is hydrophily, or water pollination, which is rare in gymnosperms. They primarily use anemophily, or wind pollination. Question 46 asks, which of the following is not a type of muscle tissue? The correct option is connective muscle. The three types of muscle tissue are skeletal, cardiac, and smooth. Question 47. What is the largest organ in the human body? The correct answer is skin. It is the largest organ by surface area and weight, covering about 1.5 to 2 square meters. Question 48. Which feature of eukaryotic cells is not found in prokaryotes? The answer is the complex cytoskeletal system. Eukaryotic cells have complex cytoskeletons for structure and transport, which is absent in prokaryotes. Question 49 asks, who coined the term mitochondrion? The correct option is Carl Benda. He coined the term in 1898, derived from Greek words meaning thread and granule. Question 50 asks, what is the type of coiling in DNA? The answer is right-handed. The most common form, bDNA, has a right-handed double helix structure. Question 51. What is the process by which an organism changes over time in response to its environment? The answer is adaptation. This involves developing traits that improve survival and reproduction. Question 52. What is the process by which an organism develops from a fertilized egg into a mature individual? The correct answer is embryogenesis. This process includes cell division, differentiation, and morphogenesis. Question 53. Which of the following is an example of an amphoteric molecule? The answer is water. An amphoteric molecule can act as both an acid and a base. Question 54. Let set A have 4 elements, and set B have 4 elements. What is the number of one-to-one functions from A to B? The answer is 24, which is calculated as 4 factorial. Question 55. Which type of isomerism is caused by the different arrangements of groups around a double bond? The answer is geometrical isomerism, often referred to as cis-trans isomerism. Question 56. The functional group in an ester is what? The correct answer is R-core. This group is characterized by a carbonyl group bonded to an alkoxy group. Question 57 asks, which of the following is not a type of crystal lattice? The answer is octagonal. Common crystal lattices include simple cubic, face-centered cubic, and body-centered cubic. Question 58. What is the process of separating a mixture based on the difference in boiling points of the components called? The correct answer is distillation. Question 59. Which law states that the volume of a given amount of gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, provided the pressure is kept constant? The answer is Charles's law. Question 60 asks, what is the study of the rates of chemical reactions called? The answer is chemical kinetics. This field investigates the speed and mechanisms of reactions. Question 61. What is the process of generating electric current from a chemical reaction? The answer is electrochemistry. This involves redox reactions to convert chemical energy into electrical energy. Question 62. Which of the following is a strong electrolyte? The answer is sodium chloride or sodium chloride. Strong electrolytes completely dissociate into ions in a solution. Question 63 asks, what is the maximum number of electrons that can be held in the p subshell? The answer is 6 electrons. The p subshell has 3 orbitals, each holding up to 2 electrons. Question 64. What is the chemical formula for sulfuric acid? The correct answer is hydrogen sulfate. It is a highly corrosive, strong mineral acid. Question 65. What is the process of adding a solute to a solvent to form a solution? The correct answer is dissolution. This involves the solute particles dispersing uniformly within the solvent. Question 66. Which of the following is a unit of pressure? The answer is Pascal. 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per square meter. Question 67. What is the study of the structure and function of proteins called? The answer is proteomics. This field investigates the entire set of proteins in an organism. Question 68 asks, which of the following is an example of a disaccharide? The answer is sucrose, commonly known as table sugar. It is composed of glucose and fructose. Question 69. What is the process of converting light energy into chemical energy by plants? The correct answer is photosynthesis. This vital process produces glucose and oxygen.